Have you ever wondered why some investors ignore certain information that are proven to be facts? Financial expert Amrita will explain the psychology behind this behavior.
And confirmation bias is that we consume information that supports our claim, as I've said earlier, and ignore information that does not support our claim or belief. For example, we believe that a particular asset class or a financial instrument is good. So we will only focus on positive information about that asset class and ignore the red flags. For example, you feel that bank fixed deposit is the best investment avenue. You recently read a report how promising it is in the future. So we are not reading reports that the rates are just 5% or maximum 5.8% for a senior citizen. You may also ignore the fact that as per DICGC, if I'm not mistaken, even if you have invested 1 crore into FD, if the bank goes bust, the maximum you will get is 5 lakhs, right? So these information are being ignored. Also information that if you're getting 5.8% in an FD or 5% in an FD and inflation is 7% and thanks to Middle Eastern crisis and oil price, it's gone further up, then it is affecting your wealth creation because your saving is not enough to deal with inflation. So you are only focusing, say, on one particular asset class, looking at only positive reports and not the negative aspects of it. And whereas you might also have a thinking that debt funds are risky, so you will only read reports which says that debt funds are risky, but avoid reading reports like this, which says that there are a variety of debt funds like overnight funds, low duration funds, ultra short funds, credit risk funds. Not all carry default risk, liquidity risk, any kind of risk. One should enhance understanding about types of debt funds, looking at the portfolio, certain quants like modified duration, credit quality, etc. So we might ignore all this and we might think that debt funds are risky. Or we might only look at FDs to be great rather than looking at anything negative about it.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.